Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are fine. So today my event is hundreds. So what is hundreds? So look here student, this is a square unit and each square unit represent 100s. This one 100s and 100s mean 1 by 100. 1 by 100, this is the form of fraction. This is the form of fraction, and also you write in 0.01. This is the form of decimal. This is the form of decimal. So here, this is a number line. Number line is divided into hundreds. So you take the range of 0 and 1. Like this one, this is a range of 0 and this is the range of 1. So 0 by 100, 1 by 100, 2 by 100 and so up to so on. So these are the number line represented in the form of fraction. You also write in the form of decimal like 0.00, 0.01, 0.02. So in the fraction 0.0 divided by 100, the right side are 20. This is the form of hundreds, and you see the decimal number 0.00. How many 0 and how many numbers in after the decimal point is 2. So it is mean this is the hundreds form. So now the question number 1 is, and one thing you remember that 10 hundreds mean 100s. 10 hundreds mean equal to 100s, because why? See this range, 10 by hundreds. So 0 0 cancel here. So you represent 1 as it is, 1 by hundreds. So here. So now question number 1 is write in words. आपके पास क्वेश्चन डेसिमल की फॉर्म में होंगे, आपने उनको इन वर्ड्स में राइट करना है. So first of all you write the places of the given number. The given number is 0.87. 0.87. 0 is in the place of ones, and after the point it starts the range of tens and hundreds. So 8 is in the range of tens and 7 is in the range of hundreds. So how to write this number in words? 0 as it is, and then you write point in words, and you write the number after the point, single number you write it. Like 8, you write 8 and then you write 7. Now the next question is 27. You write the 27, you combine it 0.82. जो आपके पास नंबर होंगे आपने उनको पॉइंट से पहले कंबाइन रीड करना है, बट पॉइंट के बाद आपने उनको सेपरेटली रीड करना है. लाइक दिस वन, 2 is in the place of tens and 7 is in the place of ones and 8 in the place of tens and 2 is in the place of hundreds. So how to write this number in word? 27 combine आपने किया and then you write the point and you write simple and separately each number, right? 8 and then you write 2. Understand? And now next one is 3. 3 part is 364.74. This is the number. 4 is in the place of ones and 6 in the place of tens and 3 is in the place of 100 and 7 is in the place of tens and 4 is in the place of hundreds. So 300 and जब आप 100 मेंशन करते हैं तो you should must write and 64.7 and 4. This is the part number 3. Now move the part number 4. This is 69,348.12. You write this first of all the places of the given number and you write in words of the given number. This is the question number 1. So the question number 2, write in expanded form. अब आपके पास क्वेश्चन 2 डिफरेंट हो गया है कि आपने इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में राइट करना है. 7.92. दिस इज द वन पार्ट. जब आप एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में राइट करेंगे इसमें 2 वेज होते हैं. फर्स्ट वे आपका, आप इसको फ्रैक्शन की फॉर्म में भी राइट कर सकते हैं. सेकंड वे आप इसको डेसिमल की फॉर्म में भी राइट कर सकते हैं. सी द पार्ट नंबर 1, 7.92. सो यू राइट 7 एज इट इज प्लस you should write the sign in expanded form. You use the sign plus. अब ये देखिए 9 जो है आपके पास पॉइंट के बाद में है, so you write 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is the form of fraction plus 2 by 100. So you write in another way डेसिमल की फॉर्म में आप इसको राइट कर सकते हैं 7 प्लस 0.9 प्लस 0.02. These are the two ways to write in the expanded form. This is the question. 8,567.21. You also write in two ways. First way you write in the form of fraction, and the second form you write in the form of decimal. The same question like this one, there are also two ways. The first way is in the form of fraction, and the second way is in the form of decimal. The homework is that you practice this two questions on the rough register, and also you write these two questions on the neat notebook with neat handwriting. Thank you.